In this video, I'm going to show you how to use HankoTrade. Now, this is going to be a quick overview on how to basically navigate this dashboard over here, so let's get started. Once you sign into your account, you have the Home tab over here on the left-hand side, and this is basically a place where you can see your accounts, your live accounts, your demo accounts. You can also create a new demo or live account with the click of this button, and you can then fund those accounts. You can change leverages, do an internal fund transfer, or reset passwords on these accounts. Then the second tab here on the left is the bonus. This is where you can basically request your bonus. You could go ahead, select your account, and then request a bonus. And of course, before you do that, you can read the terms and conditions down here as well. Then you have the affiliates tab where you can become an affiliate and actually basically partner up with them. So if you want to do that, you can do that on this tab. And then you have the account security where you can change your password and enable two-step verification for extra security. Here under more, you have the trading terminals where you can basically access the HankoX live trading platform and the HankoX demo trading platform, as well as download HankoX for either iOS or Android. And then you have the funds section where you can deposit, withdraw, and see transaction history. If you want to know how to deposit or withdraw, I have separate tutorials on that as well. Then you have the settings tab where you can basically change your profile settings and info. And then you have the ticket tab where basically you can open a ticket in case you need any assistance. Here you also see the logout button. And this button will log you out of your account until you, of course, log back in. And now you have the quick deposit button down here at the bottom, which will take you here to this deposit page where you can then deposit. Up top, you can also see a few things here. This button will allow you to open HankoX terminal to actually see their public website and to apply for partnerships. Then you can toggle the dark and light mode over here up top right. And you also have the chat bot down here at the bottom. It says we are online. You can go ahead and basically chat in case you have any questions or need any assistance. So that's pretty much how to use HankoTrade. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.